In today's video, we're gonna pot up some proven winners annuals that we got. I think we potted up the perennials already, but we're gonna do the annuals in our greenhouse. It is spicy today. I made a fun, like strawberry slushy drink that's really fun. And here in the background, you might be able to see some of our gardens and our fence project that we haven't showed you yet, which we'll do a separate video and updates on all that good stuff. But let's get over to the greenhouses and I'll show you what we're all potting up. Ooh, it is spicy in the greenhouse today. We got lots of fun annuals. This is just some stuff that's ours and some weeds that we haven't taken care of in the greenhouse and some of our own seedlings. So we have sun patience, we have double up begonias. These are the Rockapulco's impatiens, Bidens, the marshmallow Bidens, probably my top favorite and it performs beautifully here in the South. We're in zone 8, South Carolina. If you're looking for a plant that does really well in our soil, in our climate, the Bidens just rocks it. And then some of the tiara petunias right there, those are the new ones from last year. Diamond Frost Euphorbia, double up white. We have, some sort of petunia that I can't remember here. Oh, those are the yellow, I think these are the tiara. And then lantana, that's really fun. This is the Cosmo lantana. And then this is the salvia that we haven't yet tried this year. I think it is the blue suede shoes, I believe. It's our first time trying it. And our first time trying vinca over here, which we've never actually grown vinca. So in our climate, it's supposed to perform beautifully. And I'm wondering if it can replace petunias for us here in the South. Not that we don't love the super petunias. I love them. I love all the colors. I love how they perform at the beginning. But then in the summer for us, with our humidity at night, they tend to get a little leggy. And they're not my favorite because then I have to do a lot of maintenance in terms of cutting them, fertilizing them, and they still look meh for a little bit of time, like a month or two in the summer. So they just require a little more maintenance. Whereas sun patience for us, I don't touch them. I don't prune them. I don't fertilize them. They love it. Vincas, I'm hoping, can do the same thing. Skyrocket Pennisetum. And then one that we will always plant every single year is Senorita Rosalita Cleome. And the reason is because the deer hate it. And it stinks up the place for them. They don't love it. And I'm noticing plants that they love, like the sun patience, if we plant them together, they don't touch them. So I dot these all around our property just to help with the deer. And I found that for us, it works. If the deer are hungry and desperate, they'll eat whatever. But for us, that has worked beautifully. So now I'm just gonna add soil to my gorilla cart, some potting soil, and then we're gonna fill up the pots, and then we're gonna go ahead and start planting. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna go ahead and load up my soil in this gorilla cart. I got my trays here, and then I just got to get the pots in the trays, load them up with soil. And once they're planted, they're going to go into greenhouse number 2. These are our lavender that we potted up already. And these are actually from Walter's Gardens. This is the Phenomenal Lavender variety, which, just to let you know, Phenomenal Lavender is not Proven Winners. They're in Proven Winners pots, but we're growing them for us, not for sale. So these are the pots that we could find and we had on hand, but they're not a Proven Winners variety. But here is the English Phenomenal Lavender. Amazing plant, best lavender here in the South that we have ever grown for us. So if you're wondering what variety to grow for yourself, the best one right here. And that's that, guys. We went ahead and potted up all of our Proven Winners annuals for the season. Some of these are going to be for Holly's parents as well, but a lot of these are going to go in our gardens for future projects. So stay tuned. I'll show you where these are going to go in the future. We got some fun things planned, like the vincas. I'll show you guys. We're going to plant them around our fence that we just built. So I don't know if you guys saw that in the camera earlier, but we're going to put those in there. Got fun projects. So we'll show you as we go along once these are ready to be potted up or planted in our garden. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.